Hi students. Now next conversion, that is aromatic conversion. When benzene react with different reagents, it gives different products. Student. So now first one, student, when benzene react with acetyl chloride CH3COCl in the presence of AlCl3, we get that product is acetophenone will be formed. Student. Acetophenone CH3COCs. Acetone phenone will be formed when benzene react with acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3. We get product is acetophenone will be formed. Acetophenone will be formed. So this acetophenone again react with strength, that is Zn by Hg in the presence of HCl, zinc amalgam by hydrochloric acid, that is Clemmensen reduction. These reagents are belongs to Clemmensen reduction. Zinc amalgam in the presence of hydrochloric acid, we get that product is CH2CH3. Ethyl benzene will be formed. Ethyl benzene will be formed. This ethyl benzene again react with KMnO4, potassium permanganate, KMnO4. What is the role of KMnO4? Student? This KMnO4 act as a strong oxidizer. This KMnO4 act as a strong oxidizer. This ethyl benzene is converted into benzoic acid will be formed. This benzoic acid will be formed. Benzoic acid will be formed. This benzoic acid again react with what happens in that is NaOH. NaOH in the presence of CaO. This benzoic acid react with soda lime, NaOH plus CaO. The mixture of NaOH plus CaO is called soda lime. What happens in this reaction? Decarboxylation. In this reaction is decarboxylation. We get that product is benzene will be formed. That is product is benzene will be formed. Product is benzene will be formed. This benzene again react. This benzene again react with, when this benzene again react with chlorine, chlorine in the presence of FeCl3, we get that product is chlorobenzene will be formed. So that is chlorobenzene will be formed. Chlorobenzene will be formed. This is final product. This is chlorobenzene will be formed. So in this first conversion, when benzene react with acetyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, we get that is acetophenone will be formed. This acetophenone react with zinc amalgam in the presence of hydrochloric acid, we get that is ethyl benzene will be formed. This ethyl benzene oxidation with KMnO4, that is KMnO4, this KMnO4 act as a strong oxidizer. KMnO4 act as strong oxidizer. This ethyl benzene oxidized by KMnO4, it gives benzoic acid will be formed. This benzoic acid again react with soda lime, it gives benzene will be formed. This benzene again react with chlorine in the presence of ferric chloride, we get that is final product is chlorobenzene will be formed. This chlorobenzene, one more conversion, this chlorobenzene again react with 2 moles of sodium metal. This chlorobenzene again react with 2 moles of chlorobenzene, we get the product is diphenyl will be formed. So this product is diphenyl will be formed. Diphenyl will be formed. So diphenyl plus 2 NaCl is formed. So this is the final product. This diphenyl, it is belongs to Fittig reaction. So this is Fittig reaction. It is very most important. So this is Fittig reaction. This chlorobenzene again react with 2 moles of sodium, we get that is diphenyl or biphenyl is formed. This biphenyl, that product is biphenyl is formed. This reaction belongs to this is belongs to that is Fittig reaction, that is Neymot reaction, Fittig reaction. Here take the 2 moles of chlorine, so 2 moles of chlorobenzene, when 2 moles of chlorobenzene react with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether, we get that is biphenyl will be formed. So this is the simple trick for conversion of benzene. Now take the second one, student. When benzene react with methyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, what happens to that is, this is anhydrous, you remember anhydrous AlCl3, we get that is methyl benzene will be formed. So this is methyl benzene. CH3, methyl benzene will be formed. This methyl benzene again react with what happens, that is NBS strand. NBS. What is the role of NBS, student? This NBS actually this NBS belongs to allylic substitution reaction, student. This in the NBS, N-bromosuccinimide, in N-bromosuccinimide, bromine will attacks always allylic compound, allylic substitution reaction, student. So we get that the product is benzyl bromide will be formed, that is benzyl bromide will be formed. This bromine will attack on methyl group side. So here in this methyl group, one hydrogen replaced by one bromine, we get product is benzyl bromide will be formed. This benzyl bromide again reaction, that is aqueous KOH, what is the production? That is benzyl alcohol will be formed. So that is benzyl alcohol will be formed, CH3 CH2OH, benzyl alcohol will be formed. This benzyl alcohol again react with what happens, that is this benzyl alcohol again react with oxidation by that is this benzyl alcohol, that is this benzyl alcohol react with MnO2, manganese dioxide. This benzyl alcohol oxidized by MnO2, this MnO2 is converted into this benzyl alcohol is converted into benzaldehyde will be formed. This is the final production. This MnO2, when benzyl alcohol oxidized by MnO2, manganese dioxide, we get that product is benzaldehyde is formed. This benzaldehyde again react with concentrated HNO3, concentrated HNO3 in the presence of H2SO4. This reaction is called nitration. This benzaldehyde, this aldehyde group is there, student. This aldehyde group is belongs to this benzene group having aldehyde group, student. This aldehyde group is always meta directing group, student. That product is meta nitrobenzaldehyde will be formed. This is the simple trick, student. This final product is meta nitrobenzaldehyde will be formed. Why? Because of this CH4 group is this belongs to minus M group. This minus M group is always meta directing group. So here this in this nitration reaction, NO2 plus is electrophile. This NO2 plus is electrophile. This electrophile will attacks always meta position. Why? Because this CH4 group is belongs to minus M, strong minus M. So that's why this NO2 group will attacks always meta position. Why? Because this meta position having more electron density, that's why. So this NO2 will attacks always meta position. This is the simple texture. This is the conversion of from benzene to nitrobenzene, benzene to meta nitrobenzene. This is a simple texture. Now one more conversion, that is when benzene react with sulfuric acid, in the presence of sulfur triaxide, what happens? That is this is sulfonation reaction. This is called sulfonation reaction. What is the production? That is benzene sulfonic acid will be formed. Benzene sulfonic acid will be formed. This is a simple benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid again react with what happens? That is this benzene sulfonic acid react with water and hydrolysis in the presence of acetic acid. What is the production? That is phenol will be formed. Phenol will be formed. This phenol again react with zinc dust. What happens? That is benzene will be formed. This zinc dust, it is a reducer, student. Zinc acts as a strong reducer. It is a reducer, student. Zinc acts as a reducer. So benzene will be formed. So this is the simple reaction. Again benzene will be formed. This is the simple reaction. When benzene react with concentrated H2SO4 in the presence of sulfur triaxide, this sulfur in this reaction, student, electrophile is SO3. In this sulfonation reaction, student, electrophile is sulfur triaxide, that is SO3, sulfur triaxide, that is benzene sulfonic acid formed. When benzene sulfonic acid is formed, when benzene sulfonic acid again react with water to form phenol will be formed. When phenol again react with reduction with zinc dust, it gives benzene. So this is the simple texture. And one more conversion, student. When benzene react with nitration, what happens? That is nitrobenzene will be formed. When benzene react with constant HNO3 in the presence of constant H2SO4, what is the? So that is nitration mixture. 1:1 ratio of constant HNO3 plus constant H2SO4, that is called nitration mixture, student. The product is nitrobenzene will be formed. That is NO2 nitrobenzene will be formed. that is product is nitrobenzene will be formed. So, this nitrobenzene again react with SN plus HCl strength, that is reduction strength. That product is, that is aniline will be formed, that is aniline will be formed, aminobenzene or aniline will be formed. This aniline again react with what happens, that is NaNO2 plus HCl in the presence of nitrous acid strength to form a benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. That is product is benzene diazonium chloride will be formed, benzene diazonium N2 plus Cl minus. This product name is called benzene diazonium chloride will be formed. So, this benzene diazonium chloride again react with what happens, that is CuCl by HCl strength, CuCl plus HCl we get, that is chlorobenzene will be formed, that is chlorobenzene will be formed. This is the final production. This is a final product, chlorobenzene will be formed. This benzene diazonium chloride again react with CuCN copper cyanide. What happens, that is cyanobenzene will be formed, that is cyanobenzene will be formed. Cyanobenzene will be formed. This cyanobenzene again react with what happens, that is lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride in the presence of SD kerosene. When cyanobenzene react with cyanobenzene reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, we get, that is product is that is CH2NH2 will be formed. CH2NH2 will be formed. This carbon cyanobenzene. So, this cyanobenzene reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, this lithium aluminum hydride can reduce carbon. This carbon is converted into CH2 and N is converted to NH2. This lithium aluminum hydride can reduce only cyano group only, cannot reduce benzene, that means phenyl group. But this lithium aluminum is strong reducer, it can reduce only carbon and nitrogen. This carbon is converted into CH2 and N is converted to NH2. This is the final production. This is a simple trick for conversion of benzene to other compounds. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and comment, and thanks for watching, students. Thank you.